Guys, it's starting to get out there. Start your business if you haven't already. If you have, hopefully this might motivate you. I started my business from absolutely nothing just a couple of years ago. I'm now selling 5 figures every single month, selling stickers online across Etsy, Amazon, eBay. Here's my 5 reasons why you should not delay and start today. Number 5, margin. Profit margins on stickers and decals is probably amongst the very best. You can enjoy 50, 55, 60, even 65% profit margins on selling stickers. The cost of the product is very little, the postage is very little, the margin is big. eBay, Etsy, they've all got their fees. If you're selling physical products, higher value products, these fees can certainly mount up. But if you're selling stickers, because your margin is much more, you make more money. For example, I sell probably 50 to 80 decals, which range from $2 to $5 per day. It's a low priced item, they're quick sellers. If that was a physical product on, say, eBay, your margin would be much smaller. You've got postage costs, larger postage costs. The cost of the product might be a little bit more to buy, but as you can see, if you're selling stickers, the cost of the product, the inks, once you're set up, is so small, it's almost non-existent, which means you enjoy more profit. Perfect. Number 4, postage costs itself. There's no boxes, there's no bubble wrap, simple envelopes, hard-backed envelopes. That is it. They're cheap to buy, you can buy them in bulk. I buy 250, 500, 1,000 envelopes at a time, replace as I need. Pennies, cents. Cost of the packaging is next to nothing, which goes back into point number 5. The cost, the profit margin, much higher. After you've packaged your sticker, decal, sticker print, whatever you're sending, the cost of the postage is also smaller, which means you can have listings with free postage. You can keep the prices lower because the cost of posting as it goes as a letter is much smaller. Literally every sticker that I send costs between 90 to £1 at the very most, first class. Similar sort of figures over across the water. It's the cheapest product to send, which means you can play with that extra margin. You can have lower prices and sell more, or you can just enjoy the extra margin you gain. Awesome. Number 3, product ideas and research. One of my favourite things about selling stickers online is you are limited by one thing and one thing only: your brain. If you haven't got many ideas up there initially, but you do know that you want to sell stickers online, then research, learn, find out what sells, compete, get yourself out there. You're only limited by your brain when it comes to designing new products. Teach yourself Illustrator, Photoshop, whatever software you're going to use. You are then controlled and limited by your brain only. Expand your knowledge, expand what you're learning or the product you want to put out, and you can have a product catalogue with thousands of products. Super easy. Finding new products, go for it. Number 2, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, your website. Put that to one side. Local markets, Facebook. You can advertise products, whether it be custom products or your local products, on your local marketplaces. You can create yourself a Facebook business page. You can advertise in all your local selling. You can literally attack your local market, so you can have your online sales in the background and you can generate sales from your local market, businesses, people, infinite amounts of revenue streams that you can generate from selling stickers. Number 1, the physical material needed to create stickers, even when you're buying the best quality vinyl and laminate inks, is still next to nothing. A roll of vinyl can cost anywhere between £20, $25 to £60, $80. I buy 30-metre rolls at a time, and you can imagine how many sticker sheets and stickers I can get out of a 30-metre roll. It's absolutely endless. The margin is huge. By the time you've bought that roll and you're getting selling, it almost feels like it's free. The time and effort and energy goes into the products, listing the products, perfect. So, quick and easy, that is my 5 reasons why you shouldn't delay starting your sticker business today. People say it's oversaturated. Yes, but if you're starting out, you might not have the overheads that the other businesses have got. So, pricing, products, they may not have the ideas that you've got in your head. Do you have a niche? Do you have a hobby that you're in? For example, I love fishing. I have got probably 300 to 400 decals, stickers online that are to do with fishing. I am literally selling products in a market, a niche market that I absolutely love. Go out, think about what you're doing from any hobby that you do, any business that you're in, or any business that you can see potential in. There is a sticker or a decal or a print product to match. Go for it. Let me know the results. Lastly, although we've done 5 points now, I just want to give you a bonus reason to start today. You can list products online that you don't need to hold in stock. When I started out, and even to this day, I've got a couple of hundred products online that I haven't got printed, ready to go, but I print on demand them myself. I list the product sells every morning, although you can probably hear it now, that printer is always going. What it's printing now is not stock, it's orders from the weekend, which I haven't got in stock, I just print them on demand. Bonus.